Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Gemini and granting camera and storage access so the app can read and save images. Once done, tap the plus button and import your photo or shoot one directly. Choose the original resolution to preserve detail. Make sure to confirm the image orientation and crop roughly now to focus the subject. This saves time later. You're preparing the file for AI edits, which work best when the image is unclipped, properly oriented, and high resolution. You now choose the Edit menu and select AI enhancements like Portrait for Skin, Sky for backgrounds, or Object Removal for distractions. Once chosen, use the strength sliders, set between 0 and 100%, to control subtlety and apply masks to limit change to specific areas. Make sure to preview changes with the before/after toggle so you can see impact. If something reads too artificial, lower strength or refine the mask. The AI reacts to both global sliders. You finish by exporting the edited image. Pick JPEG, PNG, or hike and set quality between 80 and 100% for a balance of size and fidelity, then save a copy. If the AI miscorrects, use the history panel to step back and reapply a refined mask or lower the enhancement strength. This fixes common overcorrections. If you see artifacts, reduce the AI strength and touch problematic areas with the manual brush. These simple tweaks preserve realism and resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.